Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystem.com making this video about gold. So let's get started. I made gold video yesterday as well, showing my weekly, monthly, weekly, and 40-minute chart setup. Long setups were there. So let me show you the chart that I made yesterday on the 30th March. And my yesterday's video I showed is this monthly chart that my monthly target would be all the way up there. If we continue going to the upside, this is where I'm gonna go, and this is where we will end up 2461 or 25, 24, 25 area. That's what my monthly target, right? But the weekly target was a little bit less, and this was like this. So my weekly target was over the weekend, right? And I had like Saturday, I made the video. Today is Sunday, so this was the target, 2270 area. This 100% FE for wave 5, or maybe it will go all the way up here to 161%. But first target first is this. And also, similarly, I had this 40-minute chart showing my immediate first target when and the trade that I had open was this, right? So 2240 area. So what happened today? That's the question, right? So this one, it went up all the way, right? My for the entry that I had was the TP hit without me saving the chart. That was close, right? So but I end up opening another entry, and that one is, let me show you, where the heck is that? Okay, I closed that, I guess. Let me quickly open that and then show it to you that this was the current today's entry gold. Again, this one. All right. So this is the one. And this entry was taken by the EA, my expert advisor bot. See this green arrow there? So my like I said that, and I made a video about my expert advisor bot, right? Yesterday as well, that how it works. And once you determine the direction, that this is the direction that this thing is going, up or down, you place your EA, and then EA does the job, right? So here, it took the entry here, and then from 2239, I closed this one at 2256. It went up a little bit more, but 2256 was 161%, and I closed it. Now this chart looks like currently, let me show you this. Okay, so this wave 5 of 3 became extended. That's what happened sometimes. This is wave 1, very small, then wave 2, and then wave 3, wave 4. So wave 3 is very big compared to wave 1, right? But wave 5 is way bigger than that. Usually wave 3 is like that, and then wave 5 is a small one, right? Now, I would say that some will say that, okay, this is wave 1, 2, and then this whole thing up here for wave maybe 3, and then small wave 4 and 5. It's a different way. But to be honest with you, this is the correct count to me. It's like ABC 2, 3, ABC 4, and this is extended wave 5. So this is where 1, 2, 3 probably going to end here, and we're gonna drop towards wave 4, right? Probably 38 to 50%. And weekly chart looks like this, almost hit the target, right? This was my chart, right? Let me show you the chart again. Where the heck this chart goes? Okay, here, right? So this was the chart. This was my target here, 100%, right? 2273. And this is the live chart here. You can see we went there exactly, and touching that. Let me see how much high we did there. 2265. The target was 2273. Very close, right? Enough. So for today, enough. And let's see if we can drop down current chart, which I made, that I will be anticipating, and not necessarily that it's going to drop, but this is what the Elliott wave counts. Now, I showed, in yesterday's video that if I say that it's going to drop, I cannot take the short if I don't have the setup. So I I'm looking at the possibility, but if I don't have the setup, I don't have the setup. And I'm not gonna get the short. Now, 40-minute chart, it's all big time bullish. Even my 20-minute chart, if you see, it's pretty bullish. Everything is big time bullish. So there is no way that I will even think about going short at this point. But the pattern that I have now, which is completed, is this. Excuse me. Okay. And it is somewhere, where the heck is that thing? I show you that this is the pattern that is completed right now. This is called a crab pattern, it's a harmonic pattern. And the calculation is that if this is 61% after this, pull the fifth from here to here, 61 to 23% line, and then it goes to 161 like this, right? So after that, it drops. What it is basically is wave 1, 2, and this big wave 3 extended, followed by wave 4, and then wave 5. Okay, so this is what it is. So this is a pattern, and then if it start to drop, and if I see my short setup, only then I will take the trade. If not, then forget about it, right? So this is one version that it is gonna come down, and then this is a second version that I have. So we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, and now I'm expecting that it's probably gonna come down for wave 4. Like I said, if it's not gonna come down, and if I don't get the setup, short setup, instead in the volume time, it continue go, maybe it will go down a little bit here and then start to go up again, I'll get in again, no problem, right? So this is how you plan your trade, and then you trade your plan, right? And never, I don't make like my bias already in my mind that this thing must be dropping and then just go ahead and open the short trade. No, I will never do that. I'm always open both sides, whichever way the pair is going or the instrument is going after the news or for some reason. And if I find my long setup or short setup, whatever in that direction, only then I open the trade, right? So just wanted to show you guys that I had my bread and butter today, right? My nice long setup already based on my analysis, nice and clean. We went up there and we are at the top of the move, and hopefully we're gonna drop for wave 4. I'll wait for that, and then if we continue going to the upside, I will get in again. Right. So this is the beauty of this EA, that once you determine the direction, or you understand that, okay, it is bullish, is nicely going to the upside, and the 40-minute chart, you can see this is 40-minute chart, right? So it's beautifully, long, 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 long. So definitely it's gonna go long. So I place my EA here on the 20-minute chart, right? And this was the entry. You can see here. Nice and clean. This was basically, this was the entry. This was the entry. This was the entry. This was the entry. All of these are entry, right? But I took this one here. My ear took it actually. See that right there, and boom. So this is how it is. All right. So just wanted to share with you guys. And if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, then go on my website and subscribe. You have different options there. Don't forget to sign up for my or subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get my videos on time to take advantage of these setups. All right, so bye for now, and very, very good trading week, new week.